Good morning, boys and girls. And so this morning, you guys are going to be working on Get Ready for 5th grade lesson 6. Now, I'm hoping that lessons 1 through 5 were easy to follow and practice and follow through with your mid-chapter checkpoint. And so I wanted to continue on with lesson 6 today. And so if you're looking at our anchor chart, I want you to go ahead and make sure you pause your video and go ahead and copy your notes before you watch the rest of this video. In place value, we've learned place value from chapter 1 and 2 from our Go Math series for 4th grade. But for 5th grade, you're going to be going on to into the millions. We stopped at the 100,000s. And now you're going to go further on and expand it to one more place value. So remember that each period, after 3 numbers, you have your commas. Okay, and when you're looking at it, you remember that you start from the least place value, and you go all the way to the largest. So you go from ones to tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, comma, into the millions. We have learned place value until the 100,000. In this lesson, we are going one place farther, the millions place. Now here, we're going over the different ways to identify a number. In your standard form, you can identify a number using the place value chart by putting the smallest place value in its box and moving along with each number. It'll tell you where each number lies, the value of each number, okay? And then you can make sure to put your commas in the correct place and write your number in the word form the correct way. So remember, standard form is the regular numeric form of a number. Word form is the written form, and the way that you write it is the way that you read it. So if I would read this number, 1,562,343, I'm gonna write it that same way. 1,000,000, comma, 562,000, comma, 343. Expanded form takes each value of each number and adds them together to complete and calculate the number. So for the ones place, we start in the greatest place value, and we see that the 1 is worth 1 million. So that's why I have 1 million here, plus 500,000, plus 60,000, plus 2,000, plus 300, plus 40, plus 3 ones. In this lesson, what we're doing is using place value to give me the value of the numbers so that we can do expanded form, learn how to do the word form, which also helps us read the numbers, and identify the standard form, which is its regular numeric value. Remember, if they're asking you, what is the value of the 2 in this number, it's not just 2, but because it's in the 2000s place, it would be 2,000. Okay, so we want to make sure that you remember this. So if they're asking us for the value of the 4, that value would be 40. And so that's what I want you to make sure to remember. Okay, I'm going to be sending you a second video right now that helps you understand lesson 7. And because we're talking about place value, here we're talking about regular whole numbers. And in our next lesson, we're going to be learning place value of decimals. See you soon.